Now look at the Euro USD currency pair, as the Euro USD currency pair yesterday cannot be able to break the lower lows of the market. And if you look at the H1 time frame, it's look like that it's a double bottom pattern, but in both the scenarios the market make this full bullish gap bar and break this you can say scenario. Now market is holding above the 0.9965 level. So what happened for the next term period? According to my point of view, unless the market is holding above the 0.9965 level, it have ability to make a pull up to the 1.0060 level, almost you can say 70-80 pips, or maybe go toward the 1.0114 broken you can say support level, that is the broken support level. So overall the trend of the Euro USD currency pair is major trend is bearish, but the market is making a hold above the 0.992930 level, and it has possibility to complete the retracement in the upside direction toward the 1.0060 level, as according to that H4 in the H4 time frame, this exponential moving average 50 meet the Euro USD currency pair at that level 1.0060, and maybe the market test the 1.01 you can say resistance level. Now this act as a resistance level. Overall scenario is that market cannot make the lower lows, and also this is minor double bottom pattern that will push the market toward the 1.0060 level. This is the buying opportunity according to my point of view. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Your continuous supports needed.